Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add vignette to your videos in CapCut PC. I think that's how you say it. There are two ways. So the manual one, and you can use any color that you want for this. You go to background and you select a color that you want. Just going to rotate that. You're going to go to mask and you're going to select circle. Reverse that and you're going to create an oval like that. Doesn't have to be perfect, and you're just going to feather it out and you're going to make it larger like that. So that's the manual step, and you can choose any color that you want. And this one's for the automatic one. Select your video, go to adjustments, scroll down until you find vignette. If you slide it to the right, you see that it's a black color. If you slide it to the left, it's a white color. And that is pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!